Dealing with square roots again, we've got a couple scales that don't show up on every slide rule. Those are the R1 and R2, the root scales. Now, what these scales do is help you see square roots of numbers on the C and D scales. Instead of how the A and B scales are halves of the C and D scales, the root scales kind of do the opposite, and they're doubled the C and D scales. So if we look at R1, it goes to about 3.16. And if we look up on the A and B scales, half of 10 on the A and B scales down to the C and D is about 3.16, the end of the R scales. Also kind of close to pi. Almost like that's an important number. So let's do this practically. If we were to go to 3 on the D scale and look down, we're at 1.732. 1.732. And so this goes all the way down to 10 on the C scale, so 3.14. If it goes any farther than that, if it goes over 10, we go down and we look at the R2 scale. So let's say we wanted to do square root of 20, and that would give us 4.47-ish. 4.47 is square root of 20. Basically, the rule of thumb is R1 you're going to use for 1 digit to the left of the decimal. R2 is going to be 2 digits to the left of the decimal. And then you just go back and forth. So odd numbers will be R1 and even numbers will be R2. So let's say 150 is what we're trying to find. We'll go to 150 on the D scale. So that means we'll go to R1 and we will find 112.24. And in the calculator, it's 12.24.